Dom, great to catch up with you again. It's always good to hear positive news stories from senior professionals within the industry. Tell us about how things are for Matsuura at the moment, and you are a senior professional.
I was just going to say, I'm blown away with the compliment. Things are good, Paul. I think, I think we all didn't know what 2021 was going to bring. But right from the onset for us at Matsuura, 2021 started with a bang, really. We had probably a record month for January in a new year, which is the start of our new financial year. And that's carried on through with probably April being our best ever month again.
When I saw you in January, you were frustrated about not being able to go out and do what we're doing here today. But all that's sort of hopefully behind us now, isn't it? You're back out and about and obviously taking orders and supplying solutions.
Absolutely.
Like
I mean, what we did work from home, and we sort of, we grounded the sales team, but where we could, we went out. But from the start of March, when the schools went back, we made a decision to obviously start going back out in the marketplace and actually starting servicing some of our accounts and new opportunities. It's just been, I would say, overwhelming. It's not obviously easy, but I think the appetite, the engagement from the industry at the moment is the best I've seen it for a long, long time. How long will it last? Let's hope it lasts for a long, long time. But
now, you had a lot of success with your automation. We've covered a lot of stories in the last 12 months. Do you think this has changed, what's happened has changed people's perspective on what they invest in and how they go about growing their businesses and securing the future of their companies? Yes,
but I think a lot of companies are now, there was a lot of people on furlough. Did they need all the people? They've restructured. Many businesses have restructured. And I think people look at businesses now and say, well, we need to be able to run more efficiently with less people. And the lights out running, which is what we've, been promoting for 30 years, it's coming to the forefront at the moment in the industry.
And are you optimistic about the rest of this year now then? If you'd have looked back in January and seen what you could see now, you'd be a happy man, but it's going to continue?
I think it is. There is, I tell you what, I'll be totally honest, what we are seeing, which we didn't have obviously for the last 18 months, is projects. Many a customer and companies are talking to us now about the end of this year, next year and the year beyond for plant. So, what we haven't had is that vision or that visibility on large machine tool investment, big project work. And that now is starting to come back, and we hopefully we'll win our fair share.
And I suppose this really does showcase the successes that you've had recently, doesn't it, this story here at Rimstock?
It does. I mean, if you think just over a year ago, we weren't even talking, let alone supplying. And, to have 3 machines within 12 months and, hopefully going forward, there's going to be some more opportunities for us with some small and large projects.